Hello everyone, welcome to another episode from Min Pixels. I'm Ray. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a product which I believe is a must-have accessory for your Fujifilm GFX 50R. Let's check it out. Okay, I think for a lot of 50R users like me, the biggest complaint against this camera is ergonomics. The camera is designed just like a brick. It's really hard for you to hold it for a long period of time, and you just don't feel secure when you put on those long lenses. I have been searching for a grip for this camera, and the products available online are either very expensive, and most of the time their designs are not really good. Until I took a trip back to China this summer, and I just realized that SmalRig just released their own version of the grip for the 50R. And when I found it, I instantly bought it. It's a really great product. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the SmalRig grip for 50R, and you can tell it's a grip, but at the same time, it's an L-Bracket. So the grip part is made of wood, and it has a lot of depth to the camera. Existing grip. So in my opinion, it feels like you're holding the 50S. So it completely solved the ergo problem I had with this camera. And at the same time, it's L-Bracket. So for those of you who don't know what an L-Bracket is, so first it's an L shape, and the functionality of this is it replaces the quick release plates of your tripods. So basically you can easily attach your camera onto a tripod. You can use it this way, and the better part is you can use it in the portrait mode. So you don't have to adjust your ball head every time you want to change the orientation of your camera. So it's really convenient. I think for a lot of landscape photographers, this is the must-have accessory. And what's good about the design of SmalRig is because they manufacture a lot of other accessories for camera systems. So they are made of modular parts. So you can tell this part, you can take out this part, remove this part if you don't want to shoot in portrait mode. So that attracts some weight out of this bracket. And in the same time, you can see there are a lot of screw holes. Those are for you to attach other SmalRig accessories. For example, you can attach another grip here to hold it this way. It's very stable. And also, if you want, when you shoot in portrait mode, you can add another handle or a grip here, so it feels more secure. Basically, the possibility is endless. You can also add other accessories. For example, you can put on a GoPro to shoot in to make a video of a first person point of view, and also you can put on a LED light. So yeah, just you can do whatever you want with this bracket. And this bracket is made very well. It's very sturdy, and I think it also adds another layer of protection to your camera. So basically, I never took it off once I attach it on it. And another great design for this grip is it comes with a pin, and which can be magnetically attached to the bracket. So when you use it, you just take it out and unscrew the screws, and okay, that's a lot of screws, and then put it back on the bracket. It's very convenient. You don't have to look for a coin anytime you want to use it. So this is the SmalRig bracket slash grip for the GFX 50R. I think it's a really great product. It makes my life much easier when holding the 50R. And currently I think it retails at $87 US on their website. I can't find it being sold on Amazon.ca because I'm in Canada. I just cannot find it on Amazon.ca. So by the time you're watching this video, probably you can find it on Amazon. I don't know, but if not, you can find them on their own website. I bought this thing from China, and as you know, everything is cheaper in China, and I bought it around 76 US dollars, so there's a $10 price difference. That's not really very much. Okay, that's everything for today's video. If you liked my video, please subscribe and comment and give a like, and I will see you next time. Bye.